Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can add body effects to your clips on the CapCut PC. So on CapCut PC, you're not can only add video effects, but you can also add body effects to your clips. So here you just need to click on the effects at the top, then you'll see body effect. So the body effect also come with lots of category that you can choose. So for example, I want to add the stroke effect. So just click on the stroke, and here you can just choose which one that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to just add this one. So just download the effects first. Then click on the plus icon to add it to your clips. Just like that, the body effects will be added to your videos. You can always adjust the effect. For example, the size here, I'm going to just make it big to make it more visible like that. And that's basically it. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. Bye!